YouTube, what up, what up, what up, what up? I want to apologize for the lighting. I'm about to head out right now. Man, this is a winter of Phoenix, Arizona right here, man. This is what we do. Wintertime. Hey, but I wanted to bring y'all along. I'm actually gonna pick up a camera. So it's a Christmas slash, and I might need to get some keys. It's a Christmas slash real estate investment, right? So I need a camera to be able to take some pictures of the homes. Wrong keys. Yep, right keys. So I want to take some pictures of the homes. Right as I see it, man, if I'm going there and somebody's saying they want to list it, at least I can get a quick preview. I'm not a photographer. I'm not the best photographer or anything like that, but I do want to get a jump start and have some pictures so I can start showing what the home looks like. And then one of the other things is my wife and her family, well, my wife is starting to get into it, but my wife's family is big on photography. So they know all of the angles, they know the lighting, they know the settings. Yeah, I don't know all that, man. So when she starts to get into that, this is gonna be her baby. So the camera is gonna be, you know, something that she can play with, something that she can come in and take my pictures. She's gonna be part of the business. She's gonna be making salary. She's gonna be doing however she wants, really, because hey, when you're married, you know, whatever your spouse is, significant other, partner, yeah, they take your money, man. So yeah, follow along, man. I'm gonna cut out right here and then come back shortly. All right, let's do it. I had to cut the car on because my wifey be listening to some gangster music, so I had to make sure it was down low, so I wasn't bumping some content I couldn't have on here. So I do not own the rights to any music. So one benefit, again, like I said, my wife's family, they do a lot of photography. And I mean, when I say a family, I mean it's uncles, it's aunts, it's her dad. She's getting into it. Like, this is something that they literally pass down to each other, and it's in their blood or something. But I mean, that's a benefit for me, and that's a benefit for her, because it's not gonna be too difficult. So when it came to getting this camera, I have no clue what camera to get. My mom did photography when I was a baby, but I have no clue what the heck she used, and that was over 30 years ago, so that doesn't apply to now. So I did talk to my wife's dad, and he told me some good camera ideas. So hey, we're heading over there, and I apologize. Man, I worked all day yesterday, and then I went and did a ride along. Man, super sweet. But if you guys get a chance to do something like that, definitely do it. But just don't do it right after you get off work. Yeah, 22 hours sucks. So anyway, when I get there to where I'm picking up the camera, I'll show y'all what's available and then which one I'm picking, man. I'm back. So I didn't get the video and show you guys what was in the actual store because I went on base and they don't really allow you to video. So that didn't work out too well. But I do have two beautiful items for you. I didn't just buy one, I bought two. So this one is my toy. This one is nice, sleek, pretty cool. Got a little screen on there. And the screen tilts. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Dang. Ooh. Ooh, it makes me feel good. Got a little lens protrude. So this one right here is a Sony A6000. Alright. So picked up this little bad boy. A little tiny something. But this is good for the YouTube. Good for on-the-go pictures, indoors, things like that. Something close. If you're doing longer shoots, you're gonna have to change out the lens. But for this one right here, I don't know what the lens is, but it's really nice.
Really, really nice. It's zoom, you know, wider angle, tighter angle, or tighter shoot. But this is the Sony A6000. So this is one of the ones that I picked up. I actually picked it up for $160, 180. Matter of fact, with a 2-year warranty. Yo, super excited. It was an open box though, that's why I got it cheap. And again, it was on base, so I paid no taxes. I win. I don't care. So the other one is this big hunk of monkey here. This is the Sony A7. This one comes with a bigger lens, obviously. Whenever you're doing a little bit longer distance. So if you have a picture that you want to do, like say whenever I'm doing real estate, I have to do a picture of outside. So I want to take a picture of the outside yard. I want to take a picture of the front of the house. I want to take a picture of a tree or some kind of landmark in the area. I'd probably be using this one. If I want to do something real quick indoors, like I just love something about the counter, I'll do this. But you can see the different camera sizes. This one actually has, as I hold it upside down, this one has a flash on it. This one doesn't. But the lenses are way different. This one actually has audio. The smaller one does not. But I'm pretty sure there's some kind of microphone device on there, and this one you just plug in. So this one is cool because it comes with a bag, comes with a charger, like a lens to like block out the sun. The smaller one actually didn't come with that one because that was a display model, but that's why I got it so cheap. They had one on display already and then actually brought out a second one, and the second one is this one. So they said, hey, we can't have two out. They literally took it right back off after they already, you know, locked it in and whatever else. And then now I get the discount, so I'm cool with that. Nobody's really touched it except for the person that put it on there and whoever assembled it. I'm fine with that. So those are the two items I got. I was meant to get one, but when they said it was like $160, you better know I took it because the actual camera costs $650, and then you're still looking at tax too. So I'll put a link up for you guys. I'm not a spokesperson for these people. I don't promote any of this, so I don't know what's the difference between Canon, Sony, Samsung. I have no clue. Fuji, all of that good stuff. That's not me. I just need a camera to be able to walk into these houses, take a picture, look good. If I want to do something for myself, I want my wife to do some pictures of me. Boom. Like I explained earlier, I need her to do pictures of me as a realtor, and I need to promote myself, so she's going to be helping out with that. The other thing is I went on Amazon and I picked up a microphone. So it has a little screen. The microphone is actually set up right here. Let me see if I can pick it up without messing up something. Gotta make sure it's on. So the microphone, there's a little screen on it. Here's the whole little microphone unit, and you just plug it right into the back. There's a charger on it. You can put background music on it by, I think you can plug in your phone or something like that. Put your phone on there on another aux. So there's another aux that goes right up in here. If I can do it, you're doing it all backwards like this, doing it however. And then my son's probably looking at me weird. But you put the aux in there, and then it actually goes and it's an input. So whatever music you have playing on your phone or whatever else, it actually goes right up in there, and it'll play it while you're talking. So I'll be playing with that. It's probably going to sound horrible because I have no clue how to use any of this stuff yet. I know how to use my iPhone, which I'm recording on. I tried to actually use the camera. Didn't work. But continue to follow me, man. I love this stuff. If you want to see some photos that I've done with both cameras, my wife's done some photos. I've done some photos. We do it on the iPhone. You can see the difference on iPhone by just using portrait and regular photos, and then you can see the difference by using the A6000 and then the A7. Man, it's really beautiful work. It's easy to use. This microphone, this is the first time I use it. I've had it probably about a year. I'm not even gonna lie. Wanted to do podcasts, just getting nervous, so haven't done it. But continue to follow me. Look on my Instagram. Look on my Facebook for those pictures. Follow my Snapchat, and continue to follow me on YouTube. Hit the like button, subscribe. I love you, man.